again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here in my Qwest showroom with the Qwest 820 RLS LT. So it's a 20-foot pontoon. It is 8 foot wide and it is graphite and mantis for the color package. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look at this really nice boat here. So first thing I notice here is the nice honeycomb pattern we have matched with the mantis green from the outside. So the look really works great on the outside and on the inside as well. As I work myself a little bit further back here in the boat, you'll notice the dual captain set up here so you can sit, talk to your first mate, carry on a conversation. We also have a built-in depth finder and fish finder, as well as a cell phone over here, and of course your Bluetooth stereo system. Work ourselves here towards the back of the boat. As you can see, we have a very nice bimini top, a couple more seats here on the back. This boat does seat up to 10 people, so it's comfortable, it's spacious. We also have your ladder off the back, and we'll rig this with a Suzuki motor of your choice up to 90 horsepower. With anything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do offer an on-water demonstration, a full safety package, a mooring cover, and delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, and we're also going to handle all of your titling and registration needs as well. If you think this might be the boat for you, you can give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.